Chapter 4. Food and Deficiency Diseases. Learning Objectives. To understand constituents of our food. Requirement for food. Balanced diet. Deficiency diseases. Causes of communicable and non-communicable diseases. The need to follow the protective measures to prevent diseases. To find out whether the food you take in is sufficient for your age. Is your diet appropriate for your growth and development? Functions of food. It is essential to take proper food as food serves the following functions in our body. It helps us in our growth. It gives us energy to grow. It protects us from various diseases and keeps us healthy and strong. It helps us to repair the damaged parts of the body. Nutrients. A nutrient is a substance presenting food that provides nourishment to the body for growth, maintenance, and survival. It is important to understand the role and quantity of various nutrients in our body. This helps us to eat the right nutrients in the right amount and maintain a balance in our body. For example, more protein-rich food is required by the children of a young age because proteins are the building blocks of our body. The functions of the various nutrients are enlisted below. Carbohydrates, the foods like wheat, rice, potato, corn, fruit juices, etc., are carbohydrates and the main source of energy for the body. These are energy-giving foods. A major amount of carbohydrates must be included in the diet of the people who are involved in heavy physical activities. Fats give us more energy than carbohydrates. These are also energy-giving foods. The vegetables, oil and butter are rich sources of fats. However, excess fat is stored in the body and leads to an increase in the body weight. Proteins, these are bodybuilding foods. Proteins also help in the growth of the body. Children and patients recovering from illness require proteins in large quantity. Meat, fish, eggs, milk and milk products, pulses, soya bean, etc. are rich sources of proteins. Vitamins and minerals, these are found in a huge quantity in green leafy vegetables and fresh fruits. They protect our body from many diseases. Their deficiency can cause serious health problems. Roughage, the fibrous indigestible part present in fruits and vegetables is called roughage. It does not have any nutrient value but it is essentially required in our diet. It helps in water retention and also helps our food to pass down the alimentary canal properly. It also helps in the regular bowel movements. Raw green leafy vegetables and fruits provide roughage in our diet. Water, about 70% of our body is composed of water. The large percentage clearly shows us the importance of water for the body. Water regulates the temperature of the body. Most of the minerals and other substances can dissolve in it. It acts as a medium for all chemical reactions that occur in the body. Variation in food requirements. The requirement of nutrients of different persons may vary depending on different factors. Age of a person. Growing children need more proteins in their diet. Old people need less proteins. Sex of the person. A male needs more food than a female. However, the iron and calcium requirement of a female is higher than males. Nature of the work. A laborer who does hard manual work requires more energy-rich food than a clerk who does table work in the office. The following table gives information about different food items that children of your age should eat daily. Balanced diet. A diet containing all the 5 vital nutrients in proper and sufficient amount is called a balanced diet. The 5 nutrients are carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins and minerals. Water and roughage do not contain any nutrient but are important part of our meals. The diet you should have daily include must be from all food groups: carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins and minerals. These nutrients are needed for the growth and development, repair of body tissues and to keep the body healthy and strong. It should also provide the necessary energy required by the body for daily work. It is important to eat a balanced diet to avoid deficiency diseases. Deficiency diseases. A disease is an illness of the body. It can be classified into two categories. Diseases. Communicable diseases. Examples: cold, cough, diarrhea, malaria, tetanus, rabies, polio, etc. Non-communicable diseases. Examples: asthma, cancer, diabetes, heart disease, etc. See communicable diseases. Communicable diseases spread from one person to another. Some common diseases are: 1. Diarrhea. In this disease, the stomach of a person gets upset with frequent and watery stools. The person feels very weak due to loss lot of water and minerals from the body. When one suffers from diarrhea, it is better not to have spicy or oily food. Replacing the liquid in the body is important. Remedy. The best fight against dehydration is with oral rehydration solution O.R.S. Also, it is good to have foods like rice soup, banana, yogurt, mashed potato. 2. Cold and flu. This spreads mainly through air. The germs spread in the air when a sick person coughs or sneezes. They can also spread from person to person by touch. You can reduce the spread of germs by covering your mouth and nose when you cough and sneeze and by washing your hands afterwards. Medicines do not cure cold and flu, so we have to get better using natural remedies. 3. Tuberculosis. Tuberculosis, TB, is caused by germs that spread through the air. TB germs can affect any organ of the body like the lungs, brain or bones. Most commonly TB affects the lungs. A person with TB might lose weight, have fever, become weak and cough a lot or even cough up blood. Patients with TB can be completely cured with medicines. Factors which spread communicable diseases. 1. The communicable diseases like cholera, typhoid, diarrhea, jaundice and polio are either waterborne or foodborne. The flies and other insects carry germs from the filth that they sit on. These are transferred to the exposed food. The dirty hands of the vendors also contaminate the food. 2. Diseases like chicken pox, measles, ringworm, whooping cough, etc. are also communicable as they spread through direct contact. Their germs are transferred by direct contact, by sharing towels, handkerchiefs, etc. Germs, microorganisms, that spread communicable diseases. Microorganisms. Diseases. Microorganisms. Diseases. Protozoa malaria. Dysentery. Virus. Dengue, polio, measles, chicken pox, AIDS, viral fever, common cold. Fungi. Food poisoning, ringworm. Bacteria. Typhoid, pneumonia, cholera, tetanus, tuberculosis. Prevention of communicable diseases. 1. Keep the surroundings clean. 2. Keep the house well ventilated and well lit. 3. Do not let water stagnate in or around the house. 4. Throw garbage in dustbins. Use only covered bins. 5. Bathe regularly, wear clean clothes and wash hands before and after meals. 6. Drink clean drinking water and eat hygienic food. 7. Destruction of breeding grounds of mosquitoes and other carriers. 8. Fumigation with insecticides by the municipal authorities in case of an epidemic. 9. Immunization against communicable diseases at early age. 10. In case of animal bite, consult a doctor immediately. Non-communicable diseases. These diseases do not pass from a person to another person. These occur due to lack of balanced diet and bad habits, like smoking, drinking, and pollution. Deficiency diseases are non-communicable diseases. 1. Deficiency of carbohydrates or proteins. Growing children need more proteins for their growth and development. Generally, they suffer from protein energy malnutrition. This is due to lack of proteins or carbohydrates or both in their diet or due to more intake of carbohydrates than proteins in their diet. Deficiency of energy-giving foods, carbohydrates and fats, and bodybuilding, proteins, foods cause protein energy malnutrition (PEM). A child suffering from this malnutrition shows the following symptoms. The child gets tired easily, has very thin and light-colored hair, looks dull and inactive, does not grow well and his her growth becomes stunted, does not show interest in anything, shows loose skin and sunken eyes. 2. Deficiency of vitamins. Vitamins keeps us healthy and helps us fight germs, which enter our body. Vitamins are essential for normal growth of the body. There are mainly 4 vitamins present in our diet: vitamin A, vitamin B, vitamin C, vitamin D. A. Deficiency of vitamin A. In our country, many children become blind every year due to deficiency of vitamin A. They cannot see in the dim light, causing night blindness. To prevent blindness among children, they should be given vitamin A drops twice a year for the first 3 years. Dark green leafy vegetables like palak, cholai, methi. Yellow vegetables like carrots and pumpkin. Yellow fruits like mango and papaya. Animal food like eggs and liver, fish oil, milk and milk products are all rich sources of vitamin A. B. Deficiency of vitamin B. Red and raw tongue, cracks at the corner of the mouth, pain and loss of sensation in the limbs, skin of hands becoming rough, dry and scaly, loss of appetite in children are some of the main health problems caused by the deficiency of vitamin B. The deficiency of vitamin B causes beriberi. Green leafy beans, sprouted pulses, milk and milk products, eggs, meat, fish, liver are rich sources of vitamin B. C. Deficiency of vitamin C. Vitamin C is necessary to keep the body tissues intact. Bleeding of gums, loosening of teeth, cavity of gums. The disease scurvy occurs due to the deficiency of vitamin C. Foods rich in vitamin C are sprouted gram, tomato, lemon, gooseberry, green coriander, orange, mango and mint leaves. D. Deficiency of vitamin D. The deficiency of this vitamin causes deformities in the bones which results in bowed legs, called rickets. This vitamin is synthesized by the skin when we sit in the morning sun. Butter, ghee, groundnut oil, eggs and meat are rich in vitamin D. 3. Deficiency of minerals. Green and leafy vegetables provide various minerals to us. Iron, calcium and iodine are important minerals for our body. Deficiency of iron in diet causes anemia. Deficiency of calcium causes weakening of bones and teeth. Deficiency of iodine causes goiter and enlargement of neck region. Let's revise. Age, sex and nature of work of a person are the basic factors which decide the type of food a person's body requires. For our body, food is very essential. Malnutrition is caused due to lack of carbohydrates and proteins. Vitamins and minerals are very essential for the body. Their deficiency results in various diseases. Calcium is needed for the normal growth of bones and teeth. Lack of iodine results in goiter and lack of minerals like iron results in anemia. Diseases can be broadly classified into communicable diseases and non-communicable. Communicable diseases spread through direct contact, air, contaminated food and water, animal bites, insect bites. Deficiency of vitamin A results in night blindness. Deficiency of vitamin B results in beriberi. Deficiency of vitamin C results in scurvy. Deficiency of vitamin D results in rickets. Roughage is a part of food which is not digested by the body. A vitamin is a nutrient present in small amounts in the diet that keeps us healthy and free from diseases. Immunization can prevent many communicable diseases. Many of the communicable diseases can be prevented at a very early age by vaccinations, while non-communicable diseases can be prevented by having a healthy, balanced diet.